Hello, here at Burncoose we are partway through our scented rhodo collection. So we stock a wide range of scented rhodos which are all homegrown here at Burncoose, and this is one of them. So this is Rhododendron Princess Alice, and as you can see it's got this incredible foliage, and it's a really great one because it doesn't get too big. And what we do, we come to the bush and we need to identify where the healthiest parts are. So it's usually the top of the bush. We avoid anything towards the floor because that could carry infection or disease. So let's have a little look to see if we can find one. So what we're looking for, something like this is too small and too floppy, so that's not going to make a cutting, that will just rot when I put it into the bench. But something like this is far better. So as you can see, it's had time to get a bit bigger and it's firmer to touch at the base. So we cut it just here, we could cut it. So this has got another leaf, so that should hopefully reshoot from there. So this is then your cutting, and you've got all these leaves at the bottom that you need to get rid of. So all you do is just pull them down, and then that's pretty much it. You could cut it slightly, you cut it at an angle which allows the plant to absorb more water, which makes more energy to go back to the roots. We also propagate these from last year's stock, so I'll just show you a couple. So these are ones that I grew last year, and as you can see, something like this has got too leggy, so that's not going to make a great shaped plant, but that's really great for us in propagation because it means we can cut them back. So cut them, let me put that one down. We'd cut them just here. As you can see here, there's a little leaf bud. That means that that's going to reshoot from there if it's got that inward facing bud. If it doesn't, then you probably won't shoot, so you want to make sure that's always there before you cut. So with that, I would cut it there, cut it away at an angle so the water drains downwards, and you could do that again here. And that one I'd leave on there just for a bit, just because it's not very big yet, and you're at risk at losing the cutting. And then you've got two cuttings. These ones obviously are leaf cuttings and not from the heel. So you just peel these off and get a knife, scrape down there, and that's your perfect cutting. Princess Alice is white with flush pink, and yeah, great for a smaller garden because it doesn't grow too big.